How to use YouTube Picture-in-Picture on iPhone. To use the YouTube's Picture-in-Picture on iPhone, first of all, you simply have to enable the Picture-in-Picture mode on your iPhone device. However, I'm on Android device, but you simply have to follow these steps. Go ahead and open your iPhone's main settings application, scroll down and tap the general option. From there, tap the Picture-in-Picture mode or option and ensure that the switch for Start PiP is set to automatic or turned on. Once you turn this on, now you simply have to launch the YouTube application on your device. Tap on your profile icon or account icon on the bottom right corner. Tap on the setting gear icon on the top right. Then head to general option. From here, you should be able to find the Picture-in-Picture mode over here. Or if you don't find it over here, you simply have to scroll downwards and you'll find the playback option. Once you are here, you should be able to find the Picture-in-Picture mode. Go ahead and turn this on. And now you simply have to start playing any video of your choice and simply swipe upwards from the bottom of your screen and the video will be still playing in small Picture-in-Picture mode. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.